Hey everyone, it is time for a Tara's must-have, and I gotta tell you, 2 mugs, 8 desserts, unbelievable. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty, practical, and purposeful. And I gotta tell you, when I think about coffee and cake, that's a home run for me. Okay, so let's talk about, while I have you here, I'm gonna actually start the microwave with my 90 seconds. A little more than that, because I am going to make a mug cake that's gonna knock your socks off. All right, so let's get down to it. You are going to pick in our Wavelength collection. So if you haven't seen this yet, it's amazing. Contemporary, modern, beautiful colors, very coastal feeling. You're gonna pick a set of 2 teal mugs, or 2 white mugs, or 2 gray mugs, or 2 infrared mugs. And then you will receive 4 of our, look at how sweet this is, classic confetti mug cakes, and 4 of our cheeky chocolate mug cakes. And they're super simple. You're gonna add the powder in here. You're gonna follow the directions right on the back. Couldn't be easier. Everything is all set for you. You're gonna stir, 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 put it in the microwave, and you literally have cake on demand. You know that whole craze about mug cakes? Well, we have curated that entire collection for you. 2 great flavors, 8 great desserts, 2 beautiful mugs that you can have coffee and tea or bake your cakes in. How perfect is that for under $20? This is one of these, like, don't even think about it. Just pick the color of your mug and grab it, because if you haven't tried our mug cakes, they're the latest and greatest craze, but we've already put all of it in there for you. So whether it's that classic confetti that actually has the sprinkles inside, beautiful, rich, moist vanilla cake, or it's your cheeky chocolate, that dense chocolate overload that so many of us love. It was like on demand. Imagine that. I actually have my beautiful mug cake, piping hot, flaky, ooey gooey, that then I can add my hot chocolate. Think about this as a base cake, right? You know when you're making your cake in your 13x9 baker and you're making a vanilla cake, but you probably just don't eat that, right? You're gonna put icing on it or Cool Whip on it, some type of whipped topping, some marshmallow fluff. This is the same way, and I am gonna show you, just to show you that beautiful, flaky, ooey gooey, and look at that. All of those confetti sprinkles inside there. I don't know about you, but this is delicious. Okay, this is why it's a Tara's must-have. This is why we are falling into fall and getting super excited about those ooey gooey treats and those things that stick to your ribs, right? I know some of us are still in our bathing suits, but hey, pick your mug, pick your color of your mug and your wavelength, which we love. So remember, 2 teal, 2 white, 2 gray, 2 infrared, just for the mugs alone, under $20. Then we're adding 8 individual desserts. You guys, you gotta try this. This is why this is a Tara's must-have. So head on over to temp-tations.com and you'll see our must-have. And just a reminder, it's our wavelength mug, pick your color, and then you're going to receive 4 of our confetti cakes and 4 of our cheeky chocolate. Enjoy.